the hell?
So it's not only lightning fast, it gives you more ways to stay safe. Safe at home, safe on the road, safe online. Download today at Chat. Tune in, Chat.
Bell hits a high drive right field.
Oh my God, dude.
Complete your baseball essentials with TuneIn, the app that brings together live sports.
What lane are you in? Wow.
Daddy?
Yeah, sweetheart.
45gas.com directly into the address bar. That's 45gas.com.
Hey. You had a stop sign. You have a stop sign, you idiot! Stop sign!
Brian Mitchell or Kyle?
Wow. What the hell? Weird.
Reopen the wound all over again. Exactly, that's what happens. And then you start talking about it, right? The feelings come back. I go back to the text. The guy sent it in on Monday. Wherever you are, you're the texter of the year. So this guy wrote in and said, "Hey, everybody, chill." And the next
Asshole.
I'm not looking for a miracle. I just wanted to.
Like a drink.
I
don't know. I'm kind of feeling margarita today. Yeah, what the hell? Oh my God, I gotta get this on camera for you. Oh my God, you literally need to see. Oh my God, you need to see this. You gotta see what they did. Stupid Mercedes Benz.
Holy. Don't do it. Don't do it! You're an idiot! You're an idiot! You're an idiot! Oh. One lane, you friggin' moron.
Run off the shake-up, we'll get into all those things next. Only here. Now, by the way, we're getting ready for Padres and Giants to do that just past the top of the hour.
Tolbert and Lund on KNVR, the sports leader. Get more with the Mini Cooper Countryman plug-in hybrid. More fun at every turn. More confidence with a turbo engine and mini.
Dude, what the hell? What are you doing? What's your problem, dude? You just pulled right out in front of me, dude. Okay.
It doesn't get more SF.
We're all sick of car break-ins, right? Especially here in the Bay Area. And everybody hates getting blamed for crashes that aren't their fault. Yeah, this is me, Brian Murphy, and that's why I want to tell you about the Owl Car Cam.
You suck.
It's the first security camera that sends instant HD video for crashes and break-ins.
He's on the outside, but occasionally they'll put him in on the inside. And he was getting a little bit of pressure on the quarterback. I think they need to kind of see what he can do. Seeing everybody else.
Do it then, man. Come on.
Putting out there for the most part.
Because my mom usually takes them out in the middle of the night as well. What the heck
What the hell are they doing? Well, then do it, dude. If you're gonna go, then punch it. It's on rest when we get a green light. Oh, okay.
That fall off that truck over there?
The black one in front. Yeah. So they got their Halloween decorations out. We're gonna go this way.
His ball rate has gone up. He's been hitting more balls hard, and you could see it on the last homestand
hell,
too.
Dude, you have a stop
he went
sign.
7 for 21
I
on the
don't.
last homestand. Now he didn't hit for much pop, but he was usually